This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. The security forces in Arunachal Pradesh have apprehended 3 cadres of various factions of the NSCN during a joint operation in Changlang district. A joint team of Changlang Police, 9 Assam Rifles and 149 Battalion of CRPF during an operation on Thursday apprehended one self-styled second lieutenant of the National Socialist Council of Nagaland Reformation, the NSCNR. The NSCNR cadre was apprehended from New Salang village in the district. In another operation on Thursday, an NSCN-K Yung-Ong faction cadre was apprehended from Namgoi area by a joint team of Changlang District Police, 19 Assam Rifles and 171 Battalion of CRPF. The National Testing Agency has informed that it has made elaborate arrangements to comply with the guidelines of the Ministry of Education for conducting the NEET and JEE examinations. The agency informed that the JEE main examination will be held from the 1st to the 6th of September and the NEET examination will be conducted on the 13th of September this year. It said the examination centers will be sanitized both before and after the examination, and the candidates can also ask for fresh masks and hand gloves at the center. The agency has issued, along with the admit cards, important instructions for candidates as well as advisory for candidates regarding COVID-19. The Assam Government has enhanced 25% seat capacity in educational institutes. A notification issued by the Education Department said that due to COVID-19 pandemic, all government and provincialized colleges as well as state universities are to increase 25% seat capacity in the state. Students who have passed Class 12 examination from Assam Higher Secondary Education Council during 2021 will get the benefit in the enhanced seats. The police has seized an oil tanker and 40 drums of pilfered oil and arrested one person in this connection in Nagaon district at central Assam. 3 pickup vans used for transportation the oil and a vehicle were also seized during a raid. Further investigation is underway, police added. In the wake of rising COVID-19 positive cases in the state, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with his cabinet colleagues, convened a meeting with all the MLAs from East Khasi Hills district in Shillong yesterday to discuss the solicit views from the public representatives towards the government's long-term COVID management strategy. Chairing the meeting, the Chief Minister said that the COVID situation is becoming complicated and urgent collective action was needed in the seemingly long battle against the virus. When it comes to COVID-19, all the public representatives need to work as a team, he said, while stating that lockdown is nothing but a temporary solution against something that the country and the state have to face against in the long run. In Meghalaya, 55 new cases were detected yesterday. The total number of active cases in the state has now increased to 966 and the total recovery stands at 744, including 6 deaths. Nagaland reported 25 new cases of COVID-19 positive yesterday, taking the total confirmed cases in the state to 3,583. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyuphom in a tweet this afternoon informed that about 827 samples tested, 15 cases are detected from Dimapur, 9 in Kohima and 1 in Mon. He also added that 215 COVID-19 patients have recovered, of which 192 are from Dimapur, 21 in Kohima and 2 in Zohinboto. With this, the total active cases in the state stand at 1,648, while 1,921 people have recovered. So far, 7 have succumbed to the infection. Sikkim Health Minister Dr. Sharma tested positive for COVID-19. The minister himself announced the news of his testing positive for COVID-19 in a brief Facebook post. Sharma said that he was doing fine and confined himself in isolation. Urging his friends and supporters not to panic, the health minister urged all those people who have been in contact with him in recent days to self-isolate themselves and get tested for COVID-19. Sikkim till Friday has reported 1,336 COVID-19 cases, of which 499 are active cases, as 834 patients have recovered from the disease and 3 persons have died. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.